Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judith and this is Urban Wanderlust. So before we get started on today's video, I need you to please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already so you can follow along on our journey. So today I thought I'd do a little pack with me video and show you how I package up some orders that I have pending. And then also I got a really large delivery of candle jars because I was out of stock for a while. Well, actually I wasn't out of stock. I had some, but I was running low. So let's get started packaging some of these orders first, and then we'll head over to the living room and unpackage all those candle jars that I have. Okay, so we're done packing orders for today. Now I need to tackle all of the boxes that are in the living room. I think I have 7 or 8 boxes of candle jars that are sitting there. And then I also wanted to show you some of the things that I got from Amazon, like some of these muslin bags. I use these to give out samples of our tea lights. And I finally bought myself a hot plate. I don't know what took me so long to finally buy one of these things, but it's definitely gonna come in handy because there's been so many times where I've left the pot of wax sitting here and then it's solidified because it wasn't being kept at the right pouring temperature. So this is gonna be good. But let's head over to my living room and see all the boxes I need to unpack. Okay, so these are all of my candle jars that I need to unpack. And then I think I have some supplies for my room spray. So these should be jars. So first we're just gonna open these up and they should come with a whole bunch of packing peanuts. And you know me, I'm gonna save all of it because your girl doesn't buy any packing peanuts. So we're done and I have a box and a half of packing peanuts. So I'm gonna add that to my stash that I have upstairs. And I broke down all of the boxes, which I typically hold on to in case I have large wholesale orders that I need to ship out. So as I'm going through the boxes, I like to check to see if anything is cracked or broken. And there was some broken glass inside one of my boxes, but this actually didn't come from one of my jars. So it must have fallen in. But I did have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jars that kind of had cracks. Hopefully the camera picks it up. You can see here, that's a crack. There's like a little line here. There's another little crack there. What I typically do is I'll take photos of this and send it back to the supplier and let them know that I had X amount of jars broken within my order. And they're typically really good at sending me replacements for them. I've never had an issue. So I'm gonna go do that now. Sometimes I dust out the jars while I'm checking for cracks, but I didn't do that this time. I was a little bit lazy, but I'll obviously clean the jars once I go to use them. So if you haven't seen my candle studio tour, then definitely check that out after this video. But this is the closet that's in my living room where I keep all of my inventory. So these are some of the jars that we just finished going through. These are my amber jars for my destination collection. So I think I should be pretty well stocked up until the holidays. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, if it's a super busy holiday, then I'll probably need to order some more. But for now, I think this is pretty good.
She's so lazy.